We're happy for spring, but we don't have summertime tomatoes just yet. Next best thing? Hi, it's John with ProduceGeek.com. We're headed into April, and I love homegrown, grown in the dirt, great tomatoes during the peak of summer. But that's just a short time of the year, so what about the rest of the year? Greenhouse tomatoes. And when the spring crops come in the greenhouses of Canada and along the Great Lakes in the United States, down in Texas, and the greenhouses from the winter finish in Mexico during the spring, you get this overlap time in April when there is just a bounty of really great greenhouse grown produce. And I'm excited to share some with you. Will they taste like homegrown tomatoes? Probably not, but there are some good ones out there. Hey, let's first talk about the cluster tomato. They're simply called an on-the-vine or cluster tomato because this variety has multiple tomatoes that ripen at the same time, and they're clipped from the stem, and these stay so fresh because they draw moisture and nutrients off of the remaining vines. As far as flavor, hey, it's not going to be a perfect summer tomato, but you know what? A little salt and pepper, balsamic, and some mozzarella cheese, that's going to be pretty good. It'll do the trick, and this April you could probably find these at a great value. Also, the jumbo beefsteak tomatoes, also grown in the greenhouse. Those are in peak season for April. The one that I really like for a flavor punch is called Campari. These are Campari tomatoes. It's a cocktail type tomato. And cocktail means like bigger than a cherry tomato, smaller than a salad tomato. But why I like these is they have that acidic flavor to the variety. And it gives you that kind of that tomatoey full flavor in the back of your jaw. Oh yeah, a much bolder flavor from the Campari than a traditional on the vine. This is another really good one to look for in the spring, greenhouse grown. And you may even find some of these cool mini cherry tomatoes. This is like Certo or Certo variety. They're grown in a greenhouse in Quebec. Whoa, sweet. Boy, that was a really sweet, delicious tomato. Don't go to sleep on greenhouse produce in April. And for what's best right now, keep checking back with us. If you find some fruits and vegetables you love, share them with a friend, everybody.